welcome back to Korean Beat by Beat. So last week we talked about some past tense and present tense expressions of the word 그때 and 이제, which means back then and right now. So we did touch up on this a little bit last week, but we're going to have a bit more to look at this week. So let's look at some Korean verbs and the regular past tense of those Korean words. For example, the past tense of 싶어 is 싶었어. The past tense of 없어 is 없었어. And the past tense of 싫어 is 싫었어. So if you see the pattern there, you'll figure out that the past tense forms all have the word os. So it's actually quite easy to figure it out yourself. For example, 왔어 and 왔었어. That's the present and past tense form. 울어 and 울었어. 있어 and 있었어. So the main focus of today is actually the song Fake Love, and it will be based on the word 위해서. So in the song Fake Love, we come across the word 위해서라면 quite a few times. It means for you. But 위해서라면 is a longer form of the word 위해 or 위해서. But 위해서라면 is more of a poetic way of saying for you. We say 위해 or 위해서 in our everyday conversation rather than 위해서라면. So let's look at some other words that we come across in our daily lives that are actually shortened. For example, 널, which means for you, 날, which means for me, 우릴, which means for us, and 그녀, which means for her. So they are actually the shortened form of 너를, 나를, 우리를, and 그녀를. And also you realize that the object has got 을 or 를 at the end of each word. 너를, 나를, 우리를, 거짓을. Let me teach you how to say for you in Korean. 너를 위해, which means it's for you. But if you want to say it quickly, we would actually, in colloquial speech, we would say 널 위해. For me is 날 위해. If you want to say it quickly, once again, 날 위해.
너를 위해서 널 위해 나를 위해서 날 위해 우리를 위해서 우릴 위해 그녀를 위해서 그녀를 위해.
So we're going to be looking at a bit of technicalities here actually in this video as well, and we're going to be looking at some direct objects and indirect objects within sentences. So you may know about direct objects and indirect objects. For example, if I say I will do it for you, there are two objects, it and you. The indirect object does not actually receive the action of the verb. It receives the direct object, right? So in the song Fake Love, the phrase 널 위해 거짓을 빚어내 is actually used, and it means I'll lie for you. You see there are two objects in this sentence, which are a lie and you. Which one do you suppose is the direct object?
너를 위해서 왔어 널 위해 왔어 널 위해 왔어 너를 위해서 울었어 널 위해 울었어 널 위해 울었어.
So once again, don't forget to practice along with the beats. And thanks for watching the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.